In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a manual journal in Xero. A manual journal lets you record adjustments that don't originate from bills, invoices, or bank feeds, things like month-end accruals, prepayments, or reclassifications. I'll guide you through the exact flow so you can post one confidently and keep your records accurate. Begin on your Xero homepage for the company you want to work in. Look up to the top right corner of the screen for the small plus icon. This is Xero's Quickie Create menu for common tasks. Click the plus, and from the options that appear, select Manual Journal. You'll be taken straight to the new journal screen. Start by entering a clear narration. Think of this as the journal's headline, short, specific, and meaningful, so anyone reviewing later immediately understands why this entry exists. Next, set the journal date. Choose the date you want the adjustment to impact, typically the last day of the month you're adjusting or the exact date. The transaction should hit your books. If your period is locked, make sure the date you choose is open, or coordinate with whoever manages your financial close. Now, work through the journal lines. For each line, add a concise description that explains what the line represents, such as recognizing an expense, moving a balance, or correcting a misposting. Then select the appropriate account from your chart of accounts. Accuracy here is crucial because it determines how the entry flows into your reports. If you're unsure, pause and confirm the correct account with your accounting policy or advisor. Enter the amounts on the correct side, debit or credit, so the totals balance. Xero displays running debit and credit totals at the bottom. They must match before you can proceed. If you are posting several lines, take a moment to review each one. Confirm the description, verify the selected account, and check the amount. A quick scan now can prevent time-consuming reversals later. Also make sure the narration and date still reflect the purpose of the entry. When everything looks right and your totals are in balance, click Post. Posting finalizes the entry and adds it to your general ledger, where it will roll through to your trial balance and financial statements. If you later spot an error, you can locate this journal in your manual journals list and edit or reverse it, subject to your permissions and any lockout periods. And that's it. You've added a manual journal in Xero. With a clear narration, the correct date, precise line descriptions, and perfectly balanced amounts, your adjustments will be easy to understand and simple to audit.